Welcome back to everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. We bring you everything you need to know about motorcycles, from the latest releases to in-depth reviews and tech insights. Today, we've got something truly extraordinary lined up, so buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The ultimate hyperbike that redefines performance, technology, and sheer thrill. We loved about the H2R to the next level. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R promises to be even faster, more powerful, and more technologically advanced than ever before. Now, let's break down the specs, features, and everything you can expect from the 2025 version of this iconic machine. First up, we have to talk about the engine. The heart of the 2025 Ninja H2R is a 998cc inline-4 supercharged engine. And let me tell you, this thing is an absolute beast. Kawasaki hasn't just tuned it for more power. They've made significant improvements across the board. We're looking at a peak power output of around 350 horsepower, with a GM saying he believes he'll take that next step to drive a GM style bike. 350 horsepower, almost 100 more than the previous model. This motorcycle isn't just fast, it's a rocket on two wheels. The supercharger that Kawasaki uses is the key player here. In the 2025 Ninja H2R, the supercharger is even more efficient and finely tuned for quicker response times and higher boost pressure. This means that acceleration is not only blisteringly fast, but incredibly smooth and precise. Whether you're on the track or on the open road, the 2025 Ninja H2R is going to make you feel like you're flying. But Kawasaki didn't stop there. To handle all that power, they've made updates to the cooling system, ensuring that the engine stays at optimal temperatures even during the most aggressive riding sessions. And with the addition of improved fuel injection technology, you're looking at not only more power, but also better fuel efficiency, something that's quite rare in hyperbikes. Now that we've covered the engine, let's talk about how the 2025 H2R handles all that power. Kawasaki has completely redesigned the chassis, making it even more lightweight and rigid. The frame is constructed from high-strength steel combined with a specially designed substation without compromising its stability at high speeds. Speaking of high speeds, the suspension on the 2025 Ninja H2R is state-of-the-art, and Kawasaki has equipped it with Öhlins electronic racing suspension, ERS. This isn't just any ordinary suspension, it adjusts automatically to different riding conditions, making sure the bike remains perfectly balanced whether you're on a smooth track or a rough road. Adjustable preload, compression, and rebound. This system ensures that the Ninja H2R stays perfectly planted during even the most aggressive maneuvers, helping you corner with precision and control. It's almost like the bike anticipates the road beneath it. When you look at the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, one thing immediately stands out. The design. The H2R has always had a futuristic, aggressive look, but for 2025, Kawasaki has pushed that aesthetic even further. The aerodynamic design is more refined, with a focus on reducing drag and improving high-speed stability. The most notable visual change is the new carbon fiber winglets mounted on the front of the bike. These aren't just for show. They significantly improve downforce, which provides better stability at high speeds. Kawasaki has also worked on optimizing the fairings to channel airflow more efficiently, reducing turbulence and drag. The 2025 Ninja H2R also features a custom-tuned exhaust system, which not only enhances the bike's performance, but also gives it that signature growl. The exhaust has been designed to work in perfect harmony with the engine and aerodynamics, ensuring maximum efficiency and top-tier performance. Now, let's get into the technology that makes the 2025 Ninja H2R even more mind-blowing. Kawasaki has integrated a full suite of electronics and ride-enhancing features that put this bike at the forefront of motorcycling tech. First, we have the Kawasaki Rideology app, which allows you to connect your phone to the bike via Bluetooth. Through this app, you can monitor everything from fuel consumption to suspension settings and tire pressure, all in real time. This feature alone is a game changer, as it allows you to tweak and adjust the bike to your exact preferences. Next up, we have Kawasaki's Advanced Traction Control System, which is one of the most sophisticated systems on the market. This system constantly monitors the traction levels of each wheel and adjusts the engine's output accordingly. It's designed to prevent wheel spin and ensure optimal grip, even when cornering at extreme angles or accelerating out of turns. The Ninja H2R also comes with a cornering ABS system. This is crucial for a bike that can reach such high speeds. This system helps you brake more effectively while leaning into a corner, which is something that could make all the difference during high-speed track days or when pushing the limits of performance. And let's not forget the multi-level launch control, which helps you get off the line as quickly as possible without wheel spin, and electronic quick shifters for seamless clutchless gear changes. When it comes to braking, the 2025 H2R features a set of Brembo-style calipers, which are paired with massive 330mm carbon ceramic rotors. These are designed to offer the best possible stopping power, even at speeds where most bikes would need a much longer braking distance. Paired with these brakes are Michelin Power Cup 2 tires, which are engineered for high-performance applications like the H2R. These tires provide a perfect balance between grip and durability, allowing you to push the bike to its limits, whether you're on a straight line or through a sharp corner. Now, all these incredible features don't come cheap. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is expected to be priced somewhere in the $8,000 to $90,000 range, making it a bike that's accessible only to the most serious enthusiasts and collectors. As for availability, the 2025 Ninja H2R will be limited in production, with only a select number being made each year. So if you're looking to get your hands on one, you'll want to be quick. Kawasaki dealers around the world are expected to start taking pre-orders soon, and if you're lucky enough to secure one, you'll be joining an exclusive group of riders who own one of the most insane motorcycles ever built. Everything you need to know about the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. With insane power, groundbreaking technology, and an unmistakable design, the H2R continues to set the benchmark for what a hyperbike should be. Are you excited about the 2025 Ninja H2R? Or do you think Kawasaki has taken things too far? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Ride safe and keep revving.